Forearm balance is a great place to gain the strength required to balance a handstand and also to learn the hand activation. In this pose, your forearm is going to act as your hand to stop you from falling backwards. Start by placing yourself in a dolphin position and then scissor lift or kick switch your legs up. We use blocks near our upper arm to remind us to use our hands to push away from the wall and open the shoulder joint. Be mindful that if we stop activating our shoulders and pushing away from the ground, our head will move too close to the ground. Stay on the blocks and stay very active. If this pose seems too difficult, go back to doing dolphin on the wall. In this case, we're going to lift one leg up towards the sky. Focus on finding the straight line of energy and on carrying your weight by moving your ribs in. Avoid over-leaning on the top leg to use it as a counterbalance. We want your core to stay active throughout the entire pose.